Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 3 and I'm gonna show you how to lock the touchscreen on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the action button to open the controls menu. Now scroll through the controls menu and find the lock screen option. Once you find it, tap on it. It will lock the touchscreen, and now if you try to use the touchscreen on your watch, it will be locked. This option is quite useful if, for example, you want to sleep with your watch on and you want to prevent mistouches on the touchscreen, or if you want to take a shower with your watch on and you want to prevent the mistouches, basically because the water is conductive, so it will make the screen go crazy if you won't lock it. And to unlock the touchscreen, press and hold the action button. So wake up the screen, then press and hold the action button, and you will see this icon on the screen, and it means that the screen is unlocked. And that's how you lock the touchscreen on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.